There it is. We're about a mile or so away from my house. And this is that green, disgusting water no one would ever want to swim in. But, it's quite pretty, isn't it? Minus that. But, yeah, this is, again, about a mile away from my house. I don't come here often, but, I think it's quite a pretty trip. Most of this trekking ground, in quotation marks, is swampland because of the runoffs over there. So it's a bit hard going. And because of a recent rain, most of this is, or has been flooded quite recently. And, yeah, the going's not easy, especially with thorn bushes and these things like this. Not sure if you can see that. This is just like a small thorn bramble or something. I have no idea the name of it. But, yeah, those make the going very, very difficult. I'm not sure exactly where we are or what's near here. I think it's some sort of quarry because up there is a road. And on the road are flecks and bits of carved granite and other assortments of rock. So I think there was a quarry or some sort of business here that shaped stone. But hasn't been used in I think like a decade or so. It's pretty overgrown. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Oh gosh. The going is so difficult. But I'm gonna cut the video here until we actually get there. So bye.